So I actually got the parts that I needed to do my wheel bearings in the rear. Forgot that they didn't come with races or wheel bearings, so I had to order my wheel bearings. I got my inners, my outers, my seals, and hopefully today we can get to the head and get that lapped, and new valve seals, and hopefully get this thing moving. So I'm gonna get started on these and putting these races in. It's actually fairly easy, so shouldn't be too bad. Old valve seals are out. Yeah, you can definitely tell they're real brittle. They're hard. So we do have the new ones laying around up here. All new valve seals. Check that out. All new valve seals. So should be no smoking with this one. We'll put some new valve seals on and keep it going. So we're gonna get to cleaning, get these valves all cleaned up. They're a little nasty, so good time lapse. Get to enjoy some cleaning. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell the difference, but if you look, this right here compared to this one over here, that's my lapped one. Yeah, nice and silver. This is my not lapped one. It's supposed to look like that. Makes a good seat. Make a good seal on that. This is the other one. It's not done yet. Even if I wipe them down, you can see how it's all brown and nasty. We need to get rid of that. So this is how we do it. Alright. All new valve seals are on. Good to go. So that valve seal is done. Lapped all the valves. Everything's checked out pretty good. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch me put it all back together again. Just like that. It's done. No issues. Everything went together just fine. So, oh, I think my line's a little dirty. There we go. Yeah, everything went together just fine. Valve seals, keepers, springs, all that. No problems. So, head's just about ready to go. I'm going to clean up the intake side and the exhaust side and make sure everything's good to go. With the intake, I'm not too sure about this right here. It seems like there was no sealing there. Might be a part of my problem, but we will fix that. Worst case, I'll have to send off the intake manifold to get milled down a little bit, because you can see that. But yeah, it's definitely a little weird how it seals like that. So I'm definitely gonna have to consider getting that fixed. So, but overall this is done. So now we're gonna get back to getting the rest of the car back together. We've got the valve seals done, the valves lapped. We've got cams in, springs in, retainers in. All we got left is to do the rear brakes on the back of Cabrio, rotors and pads, put those on, and I believe that'd probably be it, other than oh, I gotta put the other wheels and tires on. I've actually already got the front ones on, mounted, looking pretty good, pretty nifty, sitting out there. So brain did stop. Man, I'm looking really scruffy. Time to get a haircut. Definitely gonna get that done soon. But we're gonna continue going and see how far we can get. We've got cleetus and cars coming up pretty quick, roughly about 5 weeks or so. So I need to get this thing done, get it tested, make sure everything's gonna be good to go before I drive 3.5 hours, 4 hours, and hope everything works out pretty good. So today, got myself a fresh haircut the other day. Feeling a whole lot better. I don't look like a caveman anymore. But we are going to be putting some rod bearings in and hopefully get the intake and stuff back on the head so I can get that bolted down at least. I do also have to bleed the brake system completely. We're going to change out the fluid in that. And then I think that's really about it for today. I got off work kind of late, so I can only do so much. But it's going to be the rod bearings today and try to get the head bolted to the block and get it timed, at least get the majority of my stuff done. So all I got to do is piddly little stuff for the next couple of weeks. But I will get it done before we go to Cleetus and Cars, April 30th, May 1st. That's better. So we're gonna get started on this and see how far we can get.